Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. The garden is considered to be the most beautiful part of the house where one can take a break from the daily mountainous life and relax. It helps in making and mending bonds with the family members when the whole family gathers to chit chat in the garden. The garden can be beneficial in many known and unknown ways. It plays a significant role in maintaining good health and a pleasant environment. As urbanization is increasing gradually, the earth is losing all its greenness, so planting a few trees in the garden will also help Mother Nature to heal. We have compiled some extended garden and gardening is a good hobby. Garden is one of the prime focuses of any house that shows one and benefits the whole home. Not only is a green a tree to the eyes, but also blessing to us as it
Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim.
provides us an
Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim.
opportunity to
Assalamu
grow
alaikum
fresh
warahmatullahi
vegetables and
wabarakatuh.
fruits. The
Welcome back
freshly
to my
grown
YouTube
fruits and
channel
vegetables do
Gardening
not have
Paradise.
any
Gardening is
pesticides,
my hobby. There
insecticides,
is
of an
something about
artificial
being in a
colors which
great
make
outdoors
it healthy and safe
surrounded
to
by plants
consume
and
of
flowers that brings me a
kids
sense of a
and
space
elder
and
people.
tranquility.
The
Whether I
garden
am
also effect
tending to my vegetable
offer a
gardens or
place of
planting
for
flowers,
playing
I
outdoor
always find
sports which
gardening
encourage
to
the
be a
sportive
relaxing and enjoyable
and
activity.
nature of the
One
kids
of the
and
reason
also
I
help
love
them in
gardening
keeping
is that it
fit and
allows me
active
to
throughout
connect
the day.
with nature. When I am
And the
out in
kids
the
can
garden, I
have
am
fun in
able
the
to
garden by building
appreciate the
tents
beauty
and
and
playing and
diversity of the
over
natural
there
world.
handling
I
daily
get to observe the
stress
growth
and
and
tensions irritate a
development of
person
plant,
after
watch
a
the
certain
birds and
period.
insects,
Garden
and
offer
enjoy the fresh
as
air and sunshine.
escape from the
This connection with nature
monotony
helped
of
me to feel
life and
grounded and
mental peace.
present.
People can also meditate it in the garden.
Gardening also allow to me
The
to be
maintain proper garden
creative. I
and
enjoy coming up with new garden designs and trying out
closer
different
to nature
plants and flowers. I
where
get
one
to
can
experiment
hear
with different colors,
the birds sing
scam
their
and
heart
plant
out, the
combinations, and I
squirrels
am always
running
surprised
here
and
and there.
delighted by the results.
Buildings a
Gardening
pet
is a
house in the
creative
garden
outlet
would be
that allow
excellent
me
if one
to
has a
express
pet dog
myself
or
and
cat.
bring beauty into
It
the
brings
world.
joy the
In
pets
addition to the
and
personal
make
benefits of gardening, it
them
also
feel
has a
activity.
practically benefit.
It
Gardening
also allows the pet to
allows me
take
to grow my
a
own
stroll
fruits and
in the
vegetables, which
garden
are healthy
freely
and
and enjoy
delicious.
the
It also helps
breeze.
me to save money
If one is
on delicious
about
and
having a
be more
vivid collection of
self-sufficient.
flowers,
Furthermore,
he or
gardening has
she should have a beautiful
environmental
garden
benefits as it helps to improve air
where he and
quality,
she
reduce carbon
could
emissions,
plant
and provide habitat
varieties
for
and
wildlife.
kind of flowering plant
And
that would increase the glory
gardening
of
is
the
a
house.
not without its
And we
challenging.
should all conserve the
It can be
water
hard
in
work and it
whichever we
require patience
can.
and
How
presence. There
having a
are
garden
also
allows one of
pests and disease to
practice
contented fit,
rainwater
and the weather
harvesting
can
by
something.
installing tanks in their
However, for me, the reward
gardens,
of
which
gardening
would help
make
store
it
rainwater,
all worth.
and sprinkling must be used in a garden to minimize water loss. To can include garden are not only for visually attracting people but can be realized in various way make to make our lives peaceful, our ambience cerns and our health good condition. The garden of the house is the most beautiful and open place of everyone and relax and helps in realizing stress. The garden helps us to preserving the environment and nature by planting fruits, flowers, and vegetables. Garden help increase one's love and compassion for nature while nurturing and growing various kind of plant. Thanks for watching.